So good afternoon. We are doing this project as an e-turfinator. This is an grass cutting machine using IoT technology. We have developed this is through an IoT technology. We have using that node MC ESP8266 and this is an ESP32 cam, and we have used motor driver. And if we want this main project is a solution to get a farmer, that is a lot acres of grass to get that for the farmer to cut the grass is very very compact to their so we want to build it to bring a solution for this problem. We have designed this structure, and this is a prototype of our project, and real time is and the real project is that we have developed into a real time project. The assistant e-turfinator that is using that ESP32 cam and so many of them motor drivers and engines. It have inbuilt engines, that is a two-stroke engine we have inbuilt in it. That's all. Thank you.